I got 4 dresses from Lulu's, which is a huge online contender for bridal wear. They have their own bridal shop section on their website, and I decided to choose 4 that I could possibly wear for another time, not just for my courthouse wedding, because I am doing a small legal wedding, and by the time that this video comes out, I will have already done it. I am still trying on some huge fun dresses later on for my big wedding that is in the future. So I decided to pick 4 that were flattering and very different styles so I could really try them all. And I will definitely be sending back the ones that I don't want to keep, as this is way too big of an order for me to just buy. Upon opening the box, I noticed that the dresses looked in pretty good condition to start. And it actually looks like there is a dress bag that you can put the dress that you choose to take in the box with it, which doesn't say that in the description, so that's a nice surprise. And the dresses so far seem like the quality that I expected for the price. It is pretty good. I wouldn't say the best, but again, I didn't pay hundreds of dollars for any of these dresses. So let's try them on. Alright, so this definitely wins points for its swishability. I absolutely love that. This is a little bit too low in the front, so I would be tacking it here if I kept it, which that's no big deal. Super easy to do. It does have a partial liner that goes down to about mid-thigh, so it's not too bad. I do think this is a great option if I want to be able to wear it another time. So let's move on to look number 2. So here we have look number 2. I will leave this hemmed up a little bit, or else I will be stepping on it everywhere. I do like the lace up top, but the bust just doesn't fit me very well, and it doesn't matter how I tie the back, but I do love the tied back. I feel like it's really cute. I wouldn't be able to wear a bra with it though, so I would need cups added in, which, you know, that and adding to the hemming I might not have enough time for, because my wedding is in about a month for the courthouse. But I do like this dramatic side slit. Whew. Angelina Jolie, yes, big red carpet moment. And I think it might get a little bit hot for a July wedding with this sort of weight that's to the fabric, but it is still cute. All right, on to the next dress. And here we have look number 3. It does have some swishability. Not much, but also whoever tagged this was really annoying because they just tagged in like 2 inches of skirt. So it's not fully on display, but it is still cute. I am not the biggest fan of eyelash lace, so I would be giving it a little haircut if I kept it. And that would be the same story for the hem, because it has the little eyelash edges as well. But here is a hidden secret. It has pockets. Guys, it has pockets. And they're generous pockets, they're not dinky pockets. I love it. And it's pretty figure flattering too, and I feel like I could wear it for another occasion, especially if I had fun dyeing it. So I think it's time for look number 4. So this is the 4th and final look, and I'm not mad, but it might be a little cheap feeling. But let's give it a look first. So we have a handkerchief hem. It does have some swishability, which is cute. I'll give it that. It does have the eyelash edges at the hem, so I would be giving it just a little haircut. But what's really odd is that there are side supports, but nothing like in the actual bust area, so it doesn't fit very well. Also, these spaghetti straps feel very cheap. They do match the rest of the lace, but they feel kind of cheap. If you're going for like a super lightweight, nice and easy, attending a graduation, you're part of a graduation, you're going to like a fun summer party, I think this would be a great option. Just maybe not for me for my courthouse wedding. So overall for Lulu's, I would probably give them an 8 out of 10 for sizing. Their recommended size is a small on all of these sizes, and I said no way, because according to their size guide, I was definitely going to be like a large. So I was pushing it. I tried 2 mediums and 2 larges, and they ended up being pretty much the correct size. I think this is the only one where I could possibly like take in maybe a ½ inch at the waist, and that would be it. Also, this can't really go towards scoring because it's coming from the customers, but all of the customers had some great reviews. I have a larger bust, and a lot of people who were in the comments gave really helpful tips for how to order if they had a larger bust. So I think that was very helpful. And so for ease of ordering, I give Lulu's a 10 out of 10. It was really easy to just add it to my cart, put in my information, and have it shipped to me. And they actually came within the time frame that they expected. The tracking worked out just fine. Ease of returning, I'm gonna give an 8 out of 10 for now. I'll keep you guys posted after I actually return the dresses that I don't keep. And then I think I'll do one more category for how I'm judging all these places, and that would be range of styles. And I'd give them a 10 out of 10 for range of styles because they really do run the gamut, and prices. And you can also get some really good discounts too. Those scores will bring me to a final ranking of 100% worth it if you like ordering online, especially if you need something very quickly but don't know what you want. If you guys are interested, I would suggest checking them out. Considering so I'm not sponsored, it's a pretty unbiased opinion. That would be all I have for Lulu's today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be checking out more big name brands, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you aren't already, and turn on those notifications as I will be posting that content soon. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll be seeing you here in the next video. Bye! Just kidding, I don't have anywhere to go.